buong Europe, napuntahan na niya ha. Wala siyang nahanap na Rolex, pare. What do you think? 620?
Kaya sa 550.
No! Not even with a tour package to Europe. Kailan kaya mga puntang Europe, boss, no?
Masaya na yan.
Sagot mo na ba, boss?
Pwede.
What's up, guys? Another watch, another day, pare. We're here with brother JV. Kamusta, brother? How are you? How's everything? Pare, JV is the owner of TNA Tours. Mga gusto pumunta ng Europe dyan. Kailan kaya mga puntang Europe, boss, no?
Masaya na yan.
Sagot mo na ba, boss?
Pwede.
Trade to trip to Europe, pare. Okay lang? You're here today. You wanted this watch. How long have you been wanting this watch?
Since we went to Europe, naghahanap ako sa mga stores doon.
Kaso,
Walang available.
what do you have on your wrist?
Tudor, binili ko sa... Nagpunta kami ng Greece.
So that's your first luxury watch, tama?
Second,
What is your first?
Mega.
May Omega ka na, you already have a Tudor, you don't have a Rolex. Is this the first Rolex? Actually, it's the perfect first Rolex for you. It's a classic, no date na Submariner. Very clean siya. I personally like it more than the date. Atin natin lang.
Ayoko nung may date din na ano. Kada
Yes.
biyahe mo, ganun ka naman.
Kasi the complication, di ba, you have to set it out. So sometimes, yes, I enjoy that too. However, most of the time, nagmamadali ako lagi. I just want a watch that I can slap on my wrist. Ready to go na, di ba? So this is a no date. This is a reference 114060. The first ceramic edition ng no date. And this is a 2019. So it is the last of its kind. So this is the 40mm. Complete. Comes with box, papers, everything. What do you think about that?
Nice.
Is that what you're expecting?
This is what I like, actually.
How long have you been with the TNA Tour? You're the owner, tama?
One of the owner. It's a family owned. Also known as Travel Now Asia, but now we rebranded.
Anong pakiramdam, boss, na ang trabaho mo mag-travel?
Masaya. Marami ka nakikilalang tao eh.
Anywhere around the world?
Sa ngayon, we're doing Asia, we're doing Europe. We're doing here in the Philippines.
Parang one whole trip kayo na sabay-sabay
Yeah.
going somewhere.
Yeah.
So it's not really, I wanna go here and there and then you will fix everything, the accommodation, the plane tickets, the ride from point A to B.
We can do that, but it's more expensive. But usually what we do is, we have a schedule every month. One big bus, 40-seater. So, lahat ng negosyante, lahat ng gusto mag-Europe, lahat ng retired, lahat ng gusto magbakasyon.
And how much does that?
Normally, yung promo namin nasa 150,000 per head.
Whole package na yun?
Full package.
Accommodation, plane ticket, visa.
Visa hindi pa kasama. If you're going to add a visa sa whole package, that's 180 VIP processing everything.
I think that's not bad, ah. Kasi I've known people that will travel, would spend at least 1 million pag nag-travel sila eh. Wala ba nawawala sa mga ano nyo?
Merong isang beses, pero ayun, nawala, hindi na nagpakita.
Nag-TNT na, nag-TNT. Hirap yan. Are you liable for that? Hindi naman.
No, we need to report them.
Anyway, brother, congratulations on your business. What do you think of the watch muna?
How much?
Well, it has a tag on it. How much yung nasa tag?
629.
629? Ang taas! 620 na lang.
Ano ba to? Ito na ba yung napapanood ko? Yung...
Yeah, yan na yung napapanood ko.
Ito na ba yun?
Ito na yun. What do you think? 620?
Kaya sa 550.
No. Not even with a tour package to Europe. These Submariners kasi are really like water sa amin yan. Like people buy. This is the most classic pieces that we have. So mabilis yung mga Submariners. So kung mabilis ang volume namin dyan, ibig sabihin yung profit yan kahit maliit kasi sure win naman na yan. Sure na mabibenta. But I cannot go low on that. Tawag ka. What do you think?
575?
Kaya, boss. I'm thinking not lower than 600. 610.
600.
Hindi kaya. Let's do 608. Done. Thank you so much, brother. Maraming salamat. Pare, buong Europe, napuntahan na niya ha. Wala siyang nahanap na Rolex, pare. Thank you so much.
Ganda na ito.
Mahal niyan. Yan yung binili niyo. Ito, libre lang to.
Oh, may sticker.
Oh, boss, baka may motor ka. Sa rider, 150 nilalagay yan, boss. Hindi lumilipad sa windshield yan, boss. Thank you, boss ha.
Thank you,
Maraming
pare.
salamat. Thank you.